There is the possibility to start several home-based businesses and generate additional income. In fact, some machines allow you to create unique and original products. And while it is true that we all wish we had a machine to print money, unfortunately that is not possible. However, there are machines available that will help you generate extra income in a simple and fast way. In this video, we will introduce you to some inexpensive and easy-to-use options, and investing in one of them will allow you to recover your investment quickly. Let's explore which are the best machines to earn money from home. Don't miss the end of the video to find out which machines I use, which is my favorite, and how much money I generate with them. Number 1. 3D printer. In recent years, 3D printers have experienced a breakthrough. These innovative machines have become very popular due to the wide range of items they can create. It is even possible to customize objects. Let's imagine that a customer needs a replica of the Tower of Pisa with specific measurements and the initials of a couple. With a 3D printer, you will be able to manufacture it, and, as it is a customized object, you can charge a higher price. You can also create many different objects and charge up to $4,000 per month. Currently, 3D printers are becoming an easy, inexpensive, and simple way to generate extra income. Experts believe that in the near future, it will be possible to print practically anything you can imagine. With this in mind, setting up a 3D printing store is a promising idea. You can charge your customers for printing the objects they want. The 3D printer market is so new that you can teach how to use these machines or create an online course to sell it. The opportunities are endless. Number 2. Sublimation printers. A sublimation printer allows you to customize a wide variety of items such as t-shirts, mugs, thermoses, cases, pens, and more. To make the sublimation on the objects, in addition to the printer, you will need a sublimation press. Starting this business is very inexpensive. I have left a video on the cards where I explain how to start a successful sublimation business with less than $500. I suggest you watch it. The personalization of objects is a very requested and highly profitable service. Companies often require it for merchandising or to send gifts at the end of the year. Personalized mugs are also widely used as birthday favors or as a gift to a loved one on their anniversary. Number 3. Vacuum sealing machine. A vacuum sealing machine is a piece of equipment used to package food or products in airtight bags or containers, removing the air inside and creating an airtight seal that helps preserve freshness and extend the shelf life of food. The way to make money with a vacuum sealing machine is through the following methods. 1. You can offer a variety of vacuum-packed foods, such as marinated meats, fish, vegetables, fruits, baked goods, snacks, and more. These packaged foods maintain their freshness longer, which is attractive to consumers. 2. You can also offer vacuum packaging services to other companies or individual customers. For example, restaurants, food stores, catering businesses, or even individuals who wish to package food for their own personal use. You charge a fee for packaging products in airtight bags or containers. 3. If you have experience in the use of vacuum sealing machines and knowledge about different models and brands, you can consider selling the machines to other entrepreneurs or people interested in starting their own vacuum packaging business. Number 4. Laser wood cutter. The wood laser cutter gives you the ability to create a wide variety of wood pieces for sale. The customization of objects, as you know, is in high demand, and being personalized you can charge a little more, since they are unique and manufactured according to the indications of your customers. With a laser cutter, the limit of the objects you can create depends on your imagination. You can make and sell signs, bookmarks, Christmas ornaments, wooden jewelry, coasters, embossed letters, clocks, tea boxes, and much more. Although this machine may require a larger budget and space compared to the others on our list, you can be sure that you will easily recoup your investment. Start with simple products, such as pet clothes or basic t-shirts. There are no limits to your imagination, and on the internet you will find everything you need, from sewing tips to patterns for different garments. There is no excuse. Before we continue with the next machine, Do not forget to leave us a like on the video and subscribe so you can be aware of the different ways to earn money from home in a super simple way. Number 4. An upper mid-range computer. The computer, although it may seem obvious, is one of the best tools for generating money from home and is, without a doubt, my favorite on the list. Even some of the machines mentioned above would not work without a computer, as they depend on it to operate. With a computer, you can create your own online store, start a blog and monetize it with advertising or product recommendations from Amazon. In other videos, I have already shared how much money I am earning per month with my blogs. You can also create a YouTube channel, offer graphic design services, web development, copywriting, translation, video editing, programming, and much more. As you can see, the possibilities that a computer gives us to earn money are endless. Number 5. Soft ice cream machine. A soft ice cream machine is a piece of equipment used to produce soft and creamy ice cream with a texture similar to snow or cream. These machines mix and cool the ingredients, such as ice cream mix and air, to obtain a smooth and homogeneous consistency. Making money with a soft ice cream machine is based on the sale of ice cream and desserts made with this machine. You can establish an ice cream shop and offer a variety of soft ice cream flavors to your customers. You can complement them with different toppings, sauces, and toppings to appeal to a wider audience. You can also offer your soft ice cream services at events, such as weddings, birthday parties, fairs, and festivals. This allows you to reach a diverse audience and generate additional income. If you would like to start making money with your computer, I recommend you to take a look at the cards that appears in the video. In it you will find 10 profitable business ideas online. And well friends, these were the 5 best machines to generate money from home. Leave us a comment with your opinion on what is for you the best machine to make money, and which one you have in mind to buy. If you know or use another, I would love to leave it also in the comments to see more profitable business ideas. Click on the playlist that now appears on the screen. And if you liked the video, give us a like, that motivates us to continue uploading more content. See you later in the next video.